bajya gukoresha siporo imbwa bazikoresha bino bintu kera najyaga mbibona muri filime gusa no mu Rwanda musi.
Get your coat, we gotta go.
Fata ikote tugende. Jennifer Lopez ni dutangiranye. Filime y'umwa wapakiye buri kimwe umugore kumwe n'akana.
We were late.
Sweet twatinze. Banguka mu rugo.
Ty.
Today, puppy.
Uyu munsi papi.
You're killing me, Ty.
Uri kunyica. Uri kwica mama wawe twihute tugende uri kumukerereza. Akana kitwa Ty. Ikirara nzi kitwa Ty kandi gifotora sha.
Want to do your speech for me?
Wateguye ijambo uri buvuge uyu munsi ko ndibuze kwa Mari.
You know, you don't have to listen to that thing 20.
Ntabwo ugomba kumva ibyo byiye gutera amasaha 24 ku yandi.
That's why I tell you to tie your shoes. I know.
Mwana wanjye ugomba gufunga inkweto.
You can't just bring them up.
Umwe mu mwacererwe ni mama n'umwana. Yo. Urebe. Ibyo byarabaye. Umugore azahana ari kumwe n'umuhungu we. Ibane rebe.
Why'd they break up?
Who?
Simon and Garfunkel.
Ma, kuki Simon nagwareka mwatandukanye?
Google it at school.
Urakomeza gucaho. Cyane umwana baragenda baganira. Yo. Zahano. Chira. Tugende. Muri bisi. Tapandigo.
Will I trouble if I didn't give my speech?
Mama nintinda simvuge speech yanjye umunsi biraza ko ibibazo.
Feeling it. You've been working all summer on.
Isama yose uri kwandikira speech uzavuga.
It's boring.
Numvisha itatwika.
What's well out to your dad?
I thought we were meeting him after.
Nari nzi kuri buze guhura na papa uyu munsi.
And then you guys are going camping.
Papa araza kuza gufate mujyane muri gukampinga, sibyo?
See you.
Sawa.
Look, he
Yeah.
time it starts. Don't worry, he'll be there.
Ntugire ikibazo papa araza kuba hari. Ni mama arabwira umwana. Ntugire ikibazo so araza kuba hari.
Give me.
Teba ariko.
Now you got something on your face.
Ndabona ari ikintu kikuri ku isura.
Right there.
Yeah. Mama n'umwana. Barishimye. Bari muri bisi. Patroli. Bakubisemo akabisi urumva ubuzima ntago bumeze neza. Ega nta muntu wanze kubyuka kati mbeheye n'umwana mudepoza ku ishuri nuko ari ubukene butuma tuba bwira ati mufata akajana k'igare.
Speeching is at 4. I know.
Mama saa kumugomba kuwageza hano nibwo ndi buvuga ijambo ryanjye. Mama wineza abanyeshuri ari kumpa amabizo.
I'm sorry, Mr. Cool Guy.
Mbabarire niga mbabarire ndabona ari kwije. Kana kamuhabiza ahubwo ariko. Ubwana bamaze kwikuza ngo mama yagusomye mu bandi bana ubugaragara nk'akabebe. Ariko iyo umusomye ubugaragara nk'umuntu w'umugabo. Kamuhabiza. Mama baje kudepoza umwana ku ishuri abone gufata inzira yikomereza. Hari ahantu ubuzima ntago wabworoshye mu nceri. Nta miteto waba afite. Hano waba ufite umukozi nguri umukujyanire ku ishuri ari uramudepoza nawe ukagira igihe cyo kuza kujya muzawe bitoroshye. Uko yabimeze. Nje rero kubera kubayo cyane no kubinaha mba mbasha kubibona nkabihuza. Anareba ubunebwe abantu mufite hano nkumirwa. Yeah. Filime bakisa ati negera mbimare wo muri Manhattan. Urebe.
All right.
Yeah. Manhattan. Ni karitsiye nkuko mva gatsata.
Good morning, Marissa.
Mwaramutse Marissa.
What doing?
They're hanging with your rubies and your emeralds.
Meze biti ibintu byose twayimanitseho byari bikwiye kuba biri katururi. Kuyakomeza imbere. Gusa nk'aho abantu bagenda bahura no nageze ahantu. Fayo. Ino hotel itwa Hotel Barefoot. Barefoot Hotel. Barefoot mu mbabariri. Nsomye nk'abana kubera abantu bari kumpamagariramo. Jinga bahamagara ababipa ngoroki ikarame. Kayita seka sha muginga gakupa. Umuntu afashwe. Mwaramutse Marissa. Kubwaje mu kazi.
What's up, Keith?
Meze bite Keith?
Sunshine.
Kirere kimeze giti sunshine. Sawa.
Anything good on?
Hari ikintu kiri hano se umuntu yareba. Urebe. Ukora kuri kamera. Aza kumwereka kuri kamera.
Open the door for the people.
Uriya mugabo yafunguye umuryango agiye gufata ikinyamakuru. Umugore ahita amufungirana.
Kick him out too.
Igasane mfunguriye ifungira nyambaye busa.
And he's one of.
Uyu nukora ku buhanga bw'ibyuma nyine ureba kuri kamera zibera muri hotel. Umugore akora muri hotel.
What you call me behind my back, I wonder.
Ase ko wita abantu bose amazina ngiye mu nyitana.
Can I get a robe to the child suite ASAP?
Abakozi nyine baba bakora muri hotel bita abantu bose amazina.
I call you God because
We tukwita Imana.
you're still smiling.
Kubera kureba ibintu byose ukisekera. Uyu umugabo yirebera muri control room yirebera ku makamera biri kubera muri hotel byose ku buryo akabaye kose abakabona. Abasebye ababona ni za hotel ni nuve kuri twa hotel muzi.
Made us thorough. A bear should be served with a smile.
umukozi rwose umukozi wo muri Beresford agomba bari kuri kugenda babwira amategeko bagomba gukurikiza. Hano baza gufata imyenda. Niba abakobwa bakora muri hoteli bakoropa babita housekeeper aba maid byose nibantegera mbimane niko babita iki niki. Abari akazi keza.
Christine, assistant manager.
Assistant manager, and you know what that means?
Yeah, it means somebody else.
Assistant manager Christine ngo yamaze kwegura.
Oh, it means we're gonna need a new assistant.
Turaza gukina assistant manager mushyashya.
We still on for happy hour.
Urebe bari kugana ko ari assistant manager wagiye bakeneye.
Marissa, you here?
Marissa ari kuri hano.
Getting dressed, please.
Waritse nkamba.
You're the one who keeps talking about being a manager.
Niwe wahoraga buri gihe ushaka wifuza kuba manager. Nyamara ushobora kwiyamamaza ukaba uri usimbura umugore wayeguye.
They're not gonna make a maid a manager.
Ntago bafata umuntu nkanjye wakoropaga nka maid ngo bangire manager.
You know what I'm saying?
Wujuje ibisabwa. Harabari kugenda bimushyiramo ariko we ntago abyumva. Katurori. Manager for ibintu babandi babakoropa bakora amasuku muri hoteli hirya no hino. Mwaramutse.
Mr. Beckstrom has an announcement.
Mr. Beckstrom aritangaza abafiti. Mr. Beckstrom.
Christina Howard's promotion,
Christina Howard.
the vacancy that we've decided to fill.
Kuba twamuzamuye mu wundi mwanya hatumye hari icyo kibamo cy'undi mwanya udafite umuntu.
Perhaps one of our butlers.
Excuse me, Mr.
Ahari umwe mu butlers bacu ashobora kwiyamamaza akaba yaba manager.
Can a maid apply?
Ese n'umukozi nkatwe yakwiyamamaza.
Technically, if an employee's been here for 3 consecutive...
Yaramutse yarakoze hano imyaka irenga 3.
She?
Yujuje ibisabwa ngo ni impamyabumenyi.
Yes, sure, absolutely.
Cyane kuki se atakwiyamamaza ngo nuko ari umumaid. Filime bayise ngo Made in Manhattan. Manhattan ni umujyi. Harya ni muri New York. Ni za New York.
On to new business. Mr. Radcliffe is
Mr. Radcliffe
09.
araza gusohoka mu cyumba
Mr. Greenwald is checking in.
709 yinjire mu nzu.
Clear out the mini bar.
Gende mini baye muhinduremo ibirimo ni twa dufirigo duto tuba turi mu hoteli mushyiremo ibindi byo kunywa.
And shampoo the rugs.
Murebe none muri stock ya shampoo mwongeremo n'utundi dutapi
Up on
twa
the
tundi bakoresha.
Sweet.
Housekeeping abari kubaha gahunda.
Sage.
Madam Sage
Children. Press
arazana n'abana be.
Mr. Sage's girlfriend.
None mucunga yinjiye aze kwinjira sheri we wundi asohotse.
Make sure.
Urumva hoteli z'inyamwuga barakubwira ati umusheri umugabo we umugore yari yasohotse muri hoteli asize umugabo azana ihabara araza kuzisaha umugore nahagera mu mutinze kugira ngo undi ahita asohoka.
Sophie's director Caroline Lane has
Nanone yaritwa Caroline Lane uri buze muri season suite
and favors purple orchids and
kundi ndabyo zimeze nka za orchids muze kuzimushyira mu cyumba.
Chris Marshall around
Assemblyman Chris Marshall waraza kuzana. Assemblyman waraza kuza bari umunyepolitiki ukomeye cyane.
Center.
Araza kubera ari kwiyamamariza kuba senateri.
24 hours.
Icyumba cy'ingarashaka umugishyiramo n'akantu ka office ku buryo azajya yakira abakiriya be cyangwa se abashyitsi b'inama. Ni Assemblyman. Iyi hoteli iraramo ibyamamare gusa. Abantu bafite amafaranga yabo abanyepolitike bakomeye ubwo nanjye ngiye Manhattan niho narara kuko bani bari gukora amasuku ari igihe bagwa kumukira mbaye ubusa.
Anyone was here.
Ntabwo nzi ko ari abantu bari hano.
Don't worry about it, Mr. Monty.
Muhangayike Mr. Monty.
Big deal.
No big deal. Ntabwo birenze. No big deal. Ariko nyine bagashaka ati hari n'ikindi kintu batabonye kiri big. No big deal.
Lavender.
N'abakozi.
You're
Subazi.
Marissa.
Marissa wakoze rwose kano kantu washyizeho ni sawa.
Diego.
Uwo ni manager uri kureba ukuntu bakora umukobwa yitwa Marissa Jennifer Lopez. Bakomeza bikorera amasuku. Yikorera uturimo twe two muri hoteli rwose. Kumbe hano hari batara wabo wikaze. Ame. Uri kuva amaraso. Ari kuva amaraso wikase n'umukozi bakorana. Fata cyane. Ariko waba ari manager wabo ari hejuru nyine. Rebe. Peja ye irasona. Iki cyumba giye kwinjira.
Quote,
Iki cyumba ninde? Iki cyumba kumbe no mugabo twabanye ngo ni Assemblyman ndetse uri no kwiyamamariza kuba abasenateri.
blah, 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 blah.
Graham Marshall.
To run for his father's...
Bakwanditseho
The next
ngo
one?
ndenda kwiyamamaza ngo be senateri kandi na papa yahoze ari senateri.
We see it.
Bari kumuvuga
You don't have...
zana ndebindi banyanditse zana
Right,
ndebindi.
fine, I hadn't finished it yet.
Uretse mbisome uyu ni senateri nuri kwiyamamariza no kuba senateri.
Playboy, political, Assemblyman Chris.
Assemblyman Chris
You
Marshall.
missed a few words there, Joe.
Hari amagambo ari wasimbutse.
Playboy? That's a...
Bavuga ngo ndi umuhehesi.
His engagement last week to Uber babe Daniela Von Grass arrives in town.
Ndetse maze iminsi amubonanye n'umukobwa watwaraga taxi voiture witwa Daniela. Mbega bari kumusoma mu binyamakuru.
Here it's news, so what?
We were never engaged. Whose side do you...
Ariko sinubuse turamenya uruhande uriho.
Why, sometimes you have to listen to me.
Rimwe na rimwe ubukwiye kunyumva.
Now and again.
Ndi manager wawe ninjye kuri campaign yawe. Uyu nuri kwiyamamariza kuba senateri.
Oh.
My name is Lionel. I'm a floor back.
Banyita Ryan on
Is there anything you need? Please.
Battle wo kuri iyi floor yanyu.
Thank you. This is Jerry.
Uyu ni Jerry.
Dan.
Brandon.
The dog is Rufus.
Imbwa yanjye bayita Rufus.
Thanks very much. Nice to...
Bebe.
Thanks, we'll call you if we need you. Chris.
Turaza guhamagara tukinira.
Chris.
Chris,
Chris, can you look at me for a minute?
Chris uri kunyumva umugabo ugiye kwiyamaza uri kwikinira
To
n'imbwa.
Maddox's thing on Monday night.
Kuwa mbere tuzajya muri bya bintu bya Maddox.
This is when I wish your old man were here to back me.
Hano mba nifuza ko Popo yakaba yari hano akakumfasha pe.
Here to back me up.
My father had no use for.
Papa wanjye ntago ako kazi yagashobora.
You-
We nawe zoro umunyepolitike.
Where are you going?
Yes.
It depends where you're going.
Ugiye. Ugiye mu bwiherero. Jyenyine.
Thank you. Go.
Bagomba kumuba hafi nk'umuntu uri kwiyamariza kuba senateri bamanija be kugira ngo adakora ikintu kibi gishobora gutuma abanyamakuru bagendera bakavuga ati uyu muntu aje kunyara.
I'm sorry, sir.
Hano harimo umukozi ukiri gukora amasuku wa mukobwa twabonye witwa Marisa. Yego ko mana yanjye ibintu mbonera inaha niko yasohotse avuga. Aba bakozi babona ibintu byinshi shaho mva mu mahoteli. Yesu Kristo we ese buri araseka iki nawe undebere aza hano yikorera amasuku ye ni mama wa kakana
Sir.
umugore wifitiye akana.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Filime nyituye abahungu bose babyariye iwabo. Jean nibwo namenye ko ngo hari abahungu benshi buri i Kigali babyariye iwabo we.
Carol,
Ntago nari mbizi.
sweet. She just checked in with a request.
Wa mugore wo muri suite nawe ari hariya yazanye ikote rye ngo murihanagure muri laundry. Dore ngiri. Sawa reka mbijyana.
Thank you.
Urakoze.
Thank you.
Muri hoteli y'inyenyeri nyinshi cyane. Eshanu.
Limits.
Uyaza kumukorera amasuku banamufasha.
So bad.
Ewana ntago ari byiza pe.
Wait.
Rage.
Yes, just hold on a second.
Uretse segonda rimwe ni umugore w'umukire winjiye muri hoteli. Wakoze atanga tipu. Urabona ko umukozi yaranze gusohoka batamuhaye tipu ariko
The next day we're breaking up.
umva ngiye icyumweru gitatu uzanatandukana uriya musore.
Wait.
Umva
So,
Rero,
I
umukire
my assistant
kakarabo yamutegura akajwi.
my calendar for the week to his email.
Assistant wanjye mwereje gahunda zanjye kuri email.
Added a few extra lunch dates.
Mwongeraho n'amatariki twajya durira tugasangira.
Fantastic.
Umva atari byiza tugasangira ibya saa sita na umugore.
Will be cute.
Eric wanyanza azababara nabona uriya musore turi kujya dusohokana. Ndebere uyu mugore afite depression.
But let's not forget Eric trades commodities for a living. A little competition right now might.
Nibagirwe ko Eric kandi acuruza ibintu by'ibicuruzwa kugira ngo arebe ko yakwiteza imbere. Natwe dutangire tubicuruze kugira ngo tumugore nyine ubuzima bumugore. Atangiye gushaka no gushora amafaranga muri business nyine nk'iyo umu ex we yakoraga kugira ngo bamugore.
Two outfits that Dolce sent over earlier.
Fata ibyo bintu bya Dolce mu bitware babikoreho. Muzanira hano.
I just simply can't tell without the stock.
Uretse ibyo nabyambara hatarimo twa tuntu tw'utuzamutse.
Could I ask you an enormous?
Mwe dufata ku maguru tuzamuka.
I mean, I know this isn't your job.
Ndabizi akazi kawe.
Normally ask, but I'm just.
Ariko sinkunze kubaza abantu ibyo ndi bwambaye.
Okay.
Oh, you're such.
Uri umwana mwiza ngaho mbwira.
Do you run down to Madison and get
Uramutse ugiye kuri
those?
muri Madison wakwambariye.
Does that you could just
Yes,
hear.
but you'll get lost.
Wakwiyambarira ibintu bisanzwe.
Oh, please. You look like you're someone who knows the difference between toast.
Ndabona uri umuntu uzi gutandukanya ibintu byiza n'ibibi mbwira.
Okay.
Kankwereke. Rebe.
Here. Thank you
Yego.
so much.
Okay.
Ahita muha agatipu.
I'm sorry, can you send someone else to finish the unpacking?
Oyerereza undi muntu aza mpakurura ibikapu byanjye. Sawa. Bahita baca bano bantu baza kurara hano bari abakire cyane ntabwo ari bagenzi bawe.
He's coming.
Tavayo. Kubitana nabo.
You think it's gonna rain?
Uracyeka imvura iribuze kugwa?
Hi, where's the fire?
No way. I just got sent on an errand and I'm already running late. So
Urabizi bino bintu bijyane babimese twakererewe.
don't worry. 11 o'clock. 2 poodles waiting in your cart.
To what?
Can't be
Rebe ahita amubwira ahantu abijyana. Yarebye hano hari abashyitsi baza bakiba n'amavuta yo muri hoteli ubuntu bw'ubusabune cyane cyane bacecuru kandi atari uko babuze amafaranga banayafite.
Dress, I'm gonna come over. I'm gonna go in your closet,
Uyavayo.
put it on for you.
Uyu kugera hano uyari kuri telefone.
Hold on a second.
Rebe uko bakora.
Me, Miss,
We
we're going.
uri kujya he?
Just in back to see if Carrie's here.
Carrie's not here, so could you just step away
Umva sohoka hano muri kontwari ntabwo ari ukwiye kwinjira ngiye mba ngomba kubiguhereza. Sohoka.
from there? Thank you.
Rebe.
Hi.
Hari igihe umuntu aba ari gukora ku kazi ke yihuse ariko ugasanga hari undi uri kugutinza. Umva.
No, you
Oya. Uba ahubwo.
get out.
Kare.
Get out.
Sohoka ariko.
It's me to Simon.
Umva.
You know what? I have customers, so go.
Mfite abakiriya hano. Mbwira vuba.
Then what?
Iki?
No, he didn't.
Oya ntabwo yabikoze.
No, he didn't.
Oya ntabwo yabikoze.
You know what, ma'am?
Umva mada.
You have to wait.
Ugomba gutegereza uri kuri telefone ari kwiteretana urubanza.
No.
a maid.
Erika niba abakobwa bakoropa muri hoteli ari kunesha umutwe babakozi ba we
You can't be back here.
umva witwa Rezete
What are you doing?
urakora ibiki mukupira telefone
Being that we're sisters and
urabizi hano tuba turi
all,
nk'abavandimwe
and being that
tugomba gufashanya mu gihe ndi kwihuta
to start serving,
rero nimba utangiye kujya userifa abantu nabi serivisi mbi
you're here.
ntabwo ari impamvu yo kuza nyana
Not good enough for you to serve.
keretse niba akazi kakunaniye bagusimbuza
Sure, your manager is.
ikindi manager wawe bino bintu abimenye byaba ari sawa kurusha
Right.
si byo rata n'abakiriya barabibona ari kuri telefone ari guteretana abakozi bo muri hoteli bafite ukuntu basohoka inyuma bakajya kunywa itabi
Keith, do me a favor. Please go to the goddess in the park.
umva ibintu mubyoherereza ngo ikigirwamana akazi kiri kurara muri suite ni umukiriya ubwo bita gutyo
Ready?
bafite ukuntu bita abakiriya amazina
Change.
I'll show you those.
ntabwo mfite umwanya wo guhindura imyenda
No, ma.
yese afata imyenda yandi akorana mu kazi
Feel like-
ari gukoropa ahita arenzaho ikote yirukanka katurori mama we ntabwo araza turakana ke kumbe ku ishuri kabuze mama kana kabuze mama hano ngo kandi gafite kuvuga ngo ijambo uyu munsi saa 10 uyu ari hano telefone Marisa
Yeah. Marcus.
Marcus
Yeah.
yego
No, I can't hear.
ntago nkumva tayarya ngafite kuvuga ijambo ryari uwo ni papa w'umwana babyara mu minota 20
Late.
ntucerererwe
Marcus,
Marcus
you're just breaking up. I can't. What?
ntago bibiri gucika ndi muri Miami ntago nyibashe kuza kumwe na Max
Do this to me, Marcus.
Marcus ntago wabinkorana
Let him get away with it. Be strong, Marisa.
What am I supposed to tell him? This
none se ubwo umwana ndamubwira ngo iki
is the holiday. Okay? He's counting on it.
umwana yarazi ko rwose uri buze utari umutenguye
Marcus, tell someone who believes you, okay? I gotta go.
basi tuzabana kuri Noheli byo bibwira abantu bakwizera sasa umugore yabyaranye n'umugabo none umugabo ntakibonera umwana umugabo ubwo n'umugabo wabyariye mu rugo
Is it yours?
kano kavuye mu gikapu cyawe
Thanks.
ni mama we
Management, huh?
kumburi kwandika usaba kuba manager mu kazi sasa uyu mugore yibuke bamubwiye ko mu kazi arimo icyo cyo kuba hari umwanya wa manager bakeneye
Saying a word?
yapurayinze hano afite ibipapuro nawe yanditse asaba ko yafata uwo mwanya ku ishuri
And our next speaker will be Ty Ventura.
ugiye kuvuga ukurikiye ni Ty Ventura umwana avuye ni kakana ka Ty kaze kavuga ijambo mikorera gasumba yeah kira baraseka umwana ari hano abona mama na nyirakuru barinjiye ku ishuri
Richard Milhouse Nixon
Richard Milhouse Nixon
was a man of many contradictions.
yari umugabo wivuguruzaga cyane kuvuga umuyobozi w'uyoboye Amerika
Even though he is remembered
nubwo mu mateka bamwibuka
as the only president to ever resign
nk'umuperezida wenyine weguye ku bushake bwe mu mateka ya Amerika perezida wenyine
foreign policies,
uburyo politike ye y'ububanyi n'amahanga cyane cyane umwana yari afitanye n'Ubushinwa
the western door to eastern
nibyo bintu byafunguye amarembo hagati y'uburasirazuba n'uburengerazuba
ties.
ibyo birahagije
Born a Quaker,
yavukiye kweka
was nevertheless he was responsible
ndetse
bombing
na ryaturitsa ry'ibisasu ryabaye
bombing of
ryaturitsa biramujabuka atangira kudidimanga urabizi umuntu yari imbere ari kuvuga speech
Mm.
Richard Nixon yavutse ibyo yari guheraho none yabivanze mama arareba umwana we ari kurya indimi imbere y'abantu acyana we ugera imbere y'abantu ukarya indimi uti wagiye ubabwiza ukuri bana bato mudukurikiye mujye imbere y'abantu mubabwira ukuntu mubona ibintu byakabaye bimeze kandi isoni zarakishe gacaho tugira isoni imbere y'abantu abo bantu batakugaburira kana kaza mwana kuki ugeze imbere y'abantu ukagira isoni bara nibo bagutunze oya mama sinjye ukugaburira none bagutera isoni
laughing at me.
bari bari kunseka
Words.
bura amagambo mvuga
You know what? It happens sometimes, honey.
bijya bibaho rimwe na rimwe
I don't
hano
want to do that again, okay?
sinshaka kuzongera kujya imbere y'abantu kuvuga umva tuzarya ikizi
Do better next time.
utaha bizagenda neza uya mama ntabwo ugomba kumutoza kuvugira imbere y'abantu akiri muto gushirika ubwoba
Because I got some.
yayibaze nk'ubu ngira ubwoba bwo kuvugira imbere y'abantu cyangwa isoni narya ne kuko ntaba mpombeye igihugu ntaje ngo mbicare imbere mbateke imitwe
We want to open it.
mwana wanjye dore impano nakuzaniye ifungura sibyo
No.
mama yeah wayiviriye mu kazi ke ko kwikoropera n'iki kaza kureba umuhungu we.
Where's Dad?
Papa ari hehe? Nawe yagombaga kuza.
He had a construction job in Poughkeepsie,
Yari afite akazi k'ubwubatsi umva mama ukuntu abeshya.
and he had to do it.
Yabuze ukuntu aza kandi papa yambwiye ngo yibereye muri Mayamari mu mayoga. Ariko mama nyine nk'umubyeyi agomba kuvuga ati papa yari busy ari mu kazi. Kugira ngo umwana atazanakurana umutima mubi. Gataba papa. Akeza ka. Ya hotel akoraho. Bita Bearsford. Yeah.
A married guy was in again buying clothes for his girlfriend.
I know, he gave me his...
Hano hari umugabo uri Mariye waruguriye umukobwa imyenda.
Michelle, morning, Marissa. Hey.
Franny Michelle bimeze biti. Gira gutya bwarakiyaza ku kazi. Hari igihe azana umwana ku kazi kuko nta handi hantu yamusiga akamuzana mu kazi. Turi hano.
Hey, you gonna keep me company today, Ty?
Tayi uyu munsi uragumana nanjye sibyo?
Yeah.
Ni za hoteli ziba zifitemo ahantu badoda ku buryo umukiriya nk'imyenda yicitse nk'udupesu duki aho bahanagura amakote. Sasi yazanye umwana kuko ntabwo yamusiga mu rugo umwana
If you
wenyine.
need me, okay?
Okay.
Ndi kuri nimero ya 22 nunkenera. Tuze gusubira saa 6 tugiye kurya. Azana kana kagatereka ahantu mu hataba akazi kenshi muri hoteli. Kakaba kaganira n'abakozi bo muri hoteli. Nawe akajya mu kazi. Ntafite amafaranga ngashakira abakozi.
Yeah, I am really sorry about all this.
Mwana wanjye mbabarire ko bw'ibi byose.
It's not your fault.
Makosa saa yawe.
See you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ibyo byarabaye.
Nice.
Yikomereza akazi ke.
Kid, there's a whole hotel to play with.
Uriya ni umwana afite hoteli yose yo gukiniramo nta runga ari buze kugira wa.
You, on the other hand,
Yeah.
loosen up.
I'm not interested. Why are you stealing my tissues?
I need them. While you're in there, get me some soap, shower caps, some Kiehl's.
Aramwereka hano ibyo bari buze gukenera amashampo amasabune ibiki.
Genius, kick up
Yeah.
our shirts.
The expression is heels.
Maybe for you.
I'm with you, girl.
Bana njye rata turi kumwe. Rebe.
No.
Abakozi ba hano babibereye mu byishimo. Banyuzamo. Yeah. Yeah.
Help me clean the park so you're not doing nothing.
Aba bahazi ibyo muri hoteli bibye. Hako nino.
Oh, sorry, aren't you the
Va.
I have...
Se wa mukozi ejo twari kumwera.
Oh, fantastic. I need another...
Hari indi faveri nkeneye kunkorera uyu mukirora muri hoteli.
Do you mind running downstairs to the boutique and returning the outfits?
Umva manuka hasi muri boutique ugenda unzanira imyenda iri mu kabati. Ndabyitaho.
Best.
Uri uwa mbere hitamo utudolari bano bagenda ba utudolari tw'udutipe. Kuko uragenda bakaguseriva ugasohoka udatanze tip.
A lot in common. Oh yeah.
Ngiye buri umuseriveri unserivye ataha nyirahira kuko ngiyewe ngo harutayo na konsoni.
Also has a boyfriend who she's been with for a while who's
Vuriya mukirana mwumvishe ari kuvuga ngo afite umu boyfriend batandukanye ngo none yabonye undi ngari gukora uko ashoboye ngo ababaze wa wundi kumva amatika ariko bari mu bakozi.
I got your mind always on the pepperoni.
Ase uiteka uri gutekereza ibiki? By'imiki n'iki. Rebe ni babiri. Kana kare hano babagaha ibikinisho kabe gakina nabyo. Abantu bakuru baye bakina n'ubuzima nako we bubakina naga ari twe tubukina.
All right, here's the difference between me and the goddess.
Rero n'itandukano ryanjye n'ikigirwamana akazi.
To trick him into wanting her,
And you're what?
I'm working hard for the money.
Uriya kigirwamana akazi kirana muri iki cyumba rero.
Vacation?
We ari gukora uko ashoboye ngo umusheri bakundanaga ngo muri akazi rero ko yanamugarukira ashaka undi musheri. Mu gihe ngewe umuntu wanyanze bandi gukora uko nshoboye ngo nibonera amafaranga ntera imbere gusa.
Dolce, nah.
Gasa ni imyenda ni Dolce.
Get out of there.
Va mu kabati k'umukiriya.
Little peek, they're going back.
Kandi imyenda y'umukiriya ariko.
You know,
Hano harara bakiri gusa bambara ya myenda y'inzi.
Lady.
Yesu Kristo we.
leave that stuff alone. Come on.
Reka ibintu by'umukiriya ariko.
To be-
Ubonye imyenda ya Dolce. Harya ni Dolce and Gabbana.
It's material.
Giwe yikora kuri uruhu rwayo wumve. Kora wumve. Ni muri Isha collection bayimukoreye. Bana yanjye.
This stuff is $5,000.
Iyi myenda igura $5,000 by'idolari. Iyi hoteli irarama abakire nta mukene ujya uhagera. Kiretse uje gukoramo amasuku.
There's 6, you're 6.
Iyi myenda ni 6 kandi nawe wambara 6. Igira imyenda y'umukiriya ari kureba. Sasa nyumvira abakozi kuntu.
Size 9.
N'inkweto ni 9.
7.5.
Kandi nawe wambara 7 n'igice.
Keep talking.
Ubwo urumva ko na hano yajya mushyizemo utuntu tw'udusogisi. Rebe,
Put this stuff back. What are you
Well,
doing?
not till you try them on.
banzu yambare.
Try on her clothes.
Ntabwo nakwambara imyenda y'umukiriya.
They're not Dolce's.
Iyi myenda ni Dolce.
Abandoned.
Oh, let's not let them hear us.
Yambare kuko nta handi hantu uzongera kuyibona.
Marissa
Marissa.
Ave Ventura, when are
Marissa Ave Maria.
ever gonna get to
Nawe byibura bizavuga mu mateka ko wambaye imyenda ihagaze $5,000 y'idolari.
the other half feels?
Wambara n'inkweto ndende wumva ukuntu zimeze ariko. Aba ni babakozi iyo tugiye basigara bigera sha amasuti yacu. Umuntu asize imyenda ihagaze $5,000 by'idolari ubwo ni $5,000 z'amanyarwanda. abakozi bari kuyimenyera ngo bipima sha cyane cyane abakozi b'abakobwa ibyo bintu ngo babikora ba nyirabuja twa twenda tw'imbere ngo baratwigera bagiye kureba abasheri babo mpamvu turatwenda tw'imbere mujye mutumesa neza mwongere mutumese kuko mutwambarana n'abakozi banyu
Stay close.
nabyo mwari muzi
Yeah.
ako se mubaye
Come here. Sit.
kumbe muri hoteli ntuhari kurara wa mugabo ni umunyepolitiki ukomeye
Voters
kwiyamamariza kuba senator
do a drive-by.
Make a real quick pit stop.
nabizi ngiye gufata imbwa mbe nzenguruka nyikoresha gasiporo
Quick question, be honest.
waza akabazo kose umbwize ukuri kandi
I look as stupid as you think I am.
ese ubona ndi ikigori nko gutekereza
No, I mean, you're not stupid. What are you trying to
ntabwo nkubona nk'ikigori kirendaje
No. What's the problem? You have a problem.
uyu ni umuyobozi uyu ni manager wa kampeni ye barimo yo kwiyamamaza
Victor Delgado, remember him? The same guy running against me for Senate? Same guy scheduled to speak at
wa
the...
mugabo bita Victor Delgado uramuzi wa wundi turi kwiyamamaza tumeze nk'abahanganiye umwanya kumbe muri hoteli niyo kakana kararambiwe karimo nako ni akana k'umukozi ukora muri hoteli
I know this offends your sense of fairness.
ndabizi bino bintu wenda birakurakaza ariko
Don't give up.
ugomba gutsinda
No, of course you don't give up. That's why you hired me. Look,
niyo mpamvu wamaye akazi nagomba kuva ku bintu tugomba gutsinda
Maddox's thing on Monday night. Hello?
wa mbere tuzajya kwa Maddox ijambo uzahavugira nizo rizaguhesha amanota ryo kuba watsinda akana kabonye n'umunyepolitiki karaseka
They have people who
leta kaguma hano
I know.
for you. I mean, I know that's a crazy
Jerry, I
idea.
want to walk my own dog.
Mva ndashaka gufata imwanya tugatembera
Trying to lose your hair.
ikindi utangiye no kubura umusatsi wazanye uruhare
Friendly.
iyo mbwa yanjye ntari
His
biryana
name is Rufus.
yitwa Rufus
You're
kana
listening to.
uri kumva ibiki
The best of bread.
the best of bread
Interesting.
gasani biratangaje kuba wumva izo ndirimbo nuko wahura n'akana kari kumva
Ty.
abantu ba kera
Chris.
Nge nitwa Ty nge nitwa Chris
Don't know what I'm
nge banyita Bardi ruhara
Who you are.
wenze uriwe
Yeah? What do you know?
unziho iki
I know that you're the state
ndabizi ko
man.
uri state assemblyman
Thinking of running for senator.
ndetse ndabizi ko uri kwiyamamariza kuba senateri
And your consistent stand
ndetse
on
ndabizi ko
cause.
muri kampeni yawe uri kwitwaza cyane cyane ibishingiye ku kuri sigasira ibidukikije
You Republican.
harya uri umurepublika cyangwa uri umudemokrate
Why?
kubera iki
Richard Nixon was Republican.
kubera ko Richard Nixon yari umunyerepublika y'amashyaka yo muri Amerika kandi yarabeshyaga ubwo ye ntabwo waba uri umurepublika nawe ukaba ubeshya nka we
You ask these questions?
uwo ni umuperezida wabayeho Richard Nixon muri za 70
Affiliated with?
ni ikihe kinyamakuru cyakudutumye wa cyane ngo uze udukuremo inkuru mfite imyaka 10
So the Democrat or Republican?
ababyeyi bawe ni abademokrate n'abarepublika
Yes.
muri iyi minsi nta muntu ukibyitaho
What's not to love?
akana ngenda gakunze
Where are you going?
mugihe
Walk Rufus.
ngiye gutembereza Rufus
You're writing a book? In 10 minutes, okay? 1 p.
Mom says okay, can I come?
ngiye gusaba amagabo shanze tujye gutemberana n'imbwa
Sure, where's your mom?
mama wari he
Come, 20.
mama wanjye ari muri Spark Suite mu cyumba 22
No, you know.
umve mama wanjye ari mu cyumba Suite 22 hoteli reka njyane n'umwana tumusabira gahosha tumutembereze n'umwana wawe uyu mugabo yikundiye akana ajyana n'akana ngo bajye gusaba mama w'umwana uruhushya urebe kumbe dore abakozi aho bari ni babiri bari gukora mu cyumba
Oh, hi.
oh
It's Ty.
babandi bari kwigira imyenda tayi urakora iki hano
Where's Mom?
mama wanjye ari injirana n'umunyepolitiki
Talking about
uyu yari kwigera imyenda y'umukiriya ahita akubitana n'uyu
A giant gray dog named.
uyu mugabo afite ikibwa cyiza kinini
I'm gonna go walk with.
wambaye agahosha nkaba nemberana nawe kari kuraramo hano
Hello.
halo
hi.
hayi hayi
Don't forget, I'm a kid and I need fresh air. Please.
mama ndi umwana mba nkeneye akayaga mu ruhushya nsohokana n'uyu banyita Chris Marshall
Caroline.
ngiye banyita Carolina wamuvugiye ni mugenzi we ngo yitwa Carolina
What? The weather can be so tricky here.
reka nguhe ikote ujyane n'umwana n'uyu mugabo
Oh, you...
ngara umukozi mugenzi we ngaramushyirishamo abeshya ko yitwa Carolina kandi yitwa Marisa Carolina ni umukiriya uraramo hano
husband wouldn't mind.
She doesn't have a husband.
umugabo wawe nimba nta kibazo ari bugire nta mugabo mama agira
Well, I insist.
Eh,
Come with us.
ngwino tujyane tujye gutembera nimba ufite akanya
Let's go.
mama tugende yambaye imyenda y'umukiriya ihagaze amadolari 5,000 urumva umunyepolitike nk'uyu kubona umugore bashyira mu turinete duhenze tugura nk'igihumbi cy'idolari yewe
Let's go.
rebe tugende bavayo mama kugendera mu nkweto byamunaniye ageze hano akubitana na manager wa hotel ahita yihisha ibaze bakufashe muri hotel wambaye imyenda y'umukiriya fata kano kantu gahishe
If that slips out again.
kazajya gasohoka mu gihe ugasubiza kandi kagaragaza ko umwenda ukiri mushyashya utarambarwa bivuze ko uyu mwenda na nyine watarawambara
Really?
rebe
Well, here, I'll go down with you.
manager yinjira muri hotel ngasohokane nabo nako muri esanseri
Je crois qu'elle est très belle. Quel bel ensemble.
mbega abantu bajyanye
Des si propres.
iriya myenda ye buriya se atuma itandura ngo turi kuvuga igifaransa uriya ni sheri we mushyashya se oya nuwo bari busambanira ijoro
Mesdames,
uyu kumbe mva igifaransa
vous voulez venir avec nous?
nimba se mwumva ngiye gusambana nawe iri joro namwe mwaje mukatwiyungaho namwe tugasambana ni abakecuru bavuga igifaransa bari kuvuga uno mugabo uriya mukobwa bari kumwe ariko ngo ni uw'iri joro gusa basambana kumbe bavugaga mu gifaransa bazi ko atakiza babumva umuntu wangera imbere agashaka kugira ururimi na rumwe mvugamo nabi mba
Hey, you? Oh, hey, Maddox, how are you, Smoke?
Maddox umeze ute
Victor Delgado.
Victor Delgado uramuzi Victor Delgado niwe bahanganye umwanya w'ubusenateri
That's good, that's good.
Showing Victor our new building on 57.
turi kwereka Victor inyubako nshyashya iri kuri 57
You know,
je mfite akazi kenshi
well, I mean, don't forget to scoop.
uyu na adversaire niwo bahanganiye umwanya w'ubusenateri n'uyu nguyu yabereye manager wa campaign Rufus igenda ry'abaginga
You're gonna have to hold it.
bebe yo bano bafayo dore umukire agisohoka barafotora abanyamakuru babaza umuyobozi ukomeye baza bafotora
Here, it's just an old friend and her son.
uriya ni umugore w'inshuti yanjye n'umuhungu we ni inshuti zanjye za kera
Well, you give me this.
mu minota 15 icyamamare
Try the benefit Monday night.
You get a
okay kuwa mbere nijoro nibwo nzabaha amakuru mu kirori kizaba cyabaye
Thank you.
sawa abanyamakuru b'umugendo n'umugabo uri kwiyamamariza kuba senateri bebe
Fun with mean old Jerry.
Oh, yeah, we had a great time.
umugore ayisa kwepa bari batangiye gufotora
And Maddox saw me walking your...
kubitanye na Delgado na Maddox abaginga bari hano sha
More. Yeah, come on, Rufus.
All right, now,
tugende
he's gonna be there. He's gonna be there at 1:30. I want you
asaba nicaraza kuba hari we sasa we wahageze uhabatange
going to shower.
ngiye kuba noga nanjye ni manager we
Just borrow them. Pretty hot though, huh?
imyenda kari myiza mama nayitiye
Say anything though. Just...
kugira ikintu uvuga ceceka wa cyana utaneza uyu muntu
Hey, Rufus.
I couldn't do
Rufus
photographers all the time.
buri munsi ahantu hose ugiye abafotozi baba bahari
Until you have to, you know. There's not a lot of choice. You get used
aya
to
mahitamo nyine uba ufite ubugomba kubimenyera ko abantu badufotora batugendaho
Go ahead.
natwe b'ibyamamare ni kari kugenda vuba
Be careful, okay? And stay close.
abana bamuhimbwa nyine abakina nayo abantu bakuru be baganira
Whoa, hang on.
yeah
Thanks for this. He's
wakoze kubwibi
down lately. Yeah, and then yesterday he gave the speech at school and
umwana wanjye ejo yahise yagiye kuvuga ijambo ku ishuri
speeches.
byagenda neza
Okay.
rimwe na rimwe kuvuga ijambo imbere y'abantu bijya bigorana
well, I don't know. He just kind of frozen around
yageze kuri stage
Now he-
araceceka biramucanga
about speaking in public. He's all freaked out.
kandi iyo atari kuri stage abavuga neza ibintu bye
Really?
yeah
Well, not always. Just sometimes.
nanjye rimwe na rimwe hari igihe bimba ariko si buri gihe nagera imbere y'abantu nkumva nabuze icyo mbabwira
Let me guess. Jerry sent you.
Yeah, to get Rufus?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's Rufus.
That's it.
iyi ni yambwe yawe Rufus
Sure.
yeah
Hey, buddy. Okay.
Thank you.
kano kana gatonya kitwa tayi kugira ukamenye neza ariko kagukiniye filime bita Teen Wolf karakuze
Bye.
Teen Wolf zose karazikinnye ari gakuru ka tayi yeah
It's from my nanny.
kagukinira muri Simoroville
Hey, do you want to sit down?
ushaka kwicara se ngo tuganire
Sure.
yeah
Okay.
vayo kaguti kakinnye nyinshi shaka kana karakuze ubu nakantu gakuru
Dirty.
mwita Tyler Gashya
Down on your face.
yagase ngiye kwicara ku isura yawe yagiye kwicara ku myenda nyine niyo abandi yafashe y'umweru kugira ngo atayanduza imyenda ihenze kwicara ku binyamakuru afite isoni ni umukozi ukoropa ari kumwe n'umukiriya w'umuyobozi waraye muri hoteli
Ty seems like a terrific kid.
karakana rwose karashimishije
Thanks.
urakoze
Crazy about him.
ndamukunda naramusariye
A 10-year-old Nixon aficionado.
ntabwo nigeze mpura n'umwana w'imyaka 10 uzi amakuru y'abaperezida nka ba Nixon ubuze ibyo bakoze
The 70s at school and
uriya mwana ku ishuri amaze iminsi
obsessed with the politics.
babigisha ku byerekeranye na politiki yo muri za 70 y'abaperezida yise atwarwa rero n'ibintu bya politiki
I'm waiting for him to discover another decade. Until then,
kwifuza ko bazongera bakabigisha ku bindi
Why-
abandi bayobozi bo mu yindi myaka itari muri za 70 basingira ko nabyo bimutwara
Yeah, I do.
yeah kobwa ni mwiza
I threw a stick up in the air and Rufus caught it.
mama nazi igiti mu kirere Rufus ahita gisama reka nongere njye kubikora akana
But how long are you in town for?
maze igihe kingana iki se cyangwa uzamara igihe kingana iki muri uyu mujyi
not sure.
simbizi neza
You always stay at the Beresford?
iteka iyo ujura uba uri muri Beresford ise niyo hoteli uraramo
Sometimes I feel like I live there.
ahubwo hari igihe mba numva ari nkaho mu rugo ariho mba
Brings you here?
niki kiba cyakuzanye inahase ku buryo nyine urara muri iriya hoteli urabizi abantu barara muri hoteli akenshi nuko badafite inzu muri uwo mujyi baba ari abashyitsi akenshi uyarebye hirya
Oh my God.
abona abafotora barahara abapaparasi
Just Check it, 11
reba
o'clock.
11 hawe urebe ibumoso bwawe urebe bariyo.
It's Eddie Yatter.
Uriya ni Eddie Yatter.
Paparazzi. I can't.
Paparazzi. N'abapaparazzi.
Works for Blanton Maddox.
Akorera Blanton Maddox.
Lately, he's been to catch me with another woman.
Barifuza kuzamfotora n'umugore wenda utari umuntu bazi kugira ngo bansebye barebe ko byansubiza inyuma mu majwi.
Oh God, Ty!
Ty, bari bibagiye umwana. Vayo.
I've just realized that you.
Uzi ko hari ikintu kikuriho se?
Sorry, it's just that my face is.
What?
Isura yanjye.
What's wrong with your...
Ikinyamakuru.
It's stuck to your.
Gufashe ku gatafari.
Oh God, oh God!
Here,
Get it off, Lord!
Kinkureho. Yeah.
Oh my God! Get anything on it?
Mana yanjye nta kintu kinsizeho. Afite ubwoko yakwanduza imyenda y'umukire bakamwirukana. Miliyoni 5 uri umukozi wo mu rugo uzambaye ute? Urebe.
Believe it.
Afite ubwoba.
Any of it true?
No. Well, we were seeing each other now.
Hari inkuru bankozeho y'umumodo twakundanaga. Byari byose byari byo gakenya twajyaga duhura ariko ntago twakomezanyije. Hari ikintu nshaka kwereka ngwino. Urebe. Umugabo ari gutembera n'umuntu asikara umukire kumbe ni umukozi ukoropa muri hoteli yarayemo. Babita banuza. Twakunda.
I got it, fine. I'm good.
Zano.
Don't worry about me.
Look at that, huh?
Muzanano n'umwana.
It's like two different worlds.
Hano hantu wagira ngo ni mu yindi si tuje.
Same perspective, huh?
Hano hantu iyo yageze rwose ubona ibintu mu buryo butandukanye.
I'd like to point out it's paparazzi free.
Hano hantu byibura nta bapaparazzi baba bahari bagenda badufotora twe.
Here most is when I have to make a speech.
Iyo mfite ijambo nzavuga ni hano hantu mbanza nkaza. Ugiye kuvuga ijambo nawe ugira ubwoba nkanjye.
I don't know about you, but sometimes when I have to stand up in front of people,
cyane iyo ngiye guhagarara imbere y'abantu.
kind of races and
Umutima wanjye uratera cyane.
my words.
Amagambo nari kuvuga nkayibagirwa.
Here, I know.
Nanjye nuko.
Same with you?
Nawe niko bigenda.
Wow. Well, in my business, it's not a good thing, right?
Ari gusa muri business nkora nyine y'umunyepolitike mbashije kuba ni ibintu bibi cyane kuri iyo business kuba utajya imbere y'abantu ngo uvuge ibintu bizima neza kavuga ujijwa.
I hold on.
Uretse. Iyo ngiye kuvuga mfata utu tuntu mu ntoki.
Was that a paperclip?
Izo ni paperclip.
Yeah, I had to find something to draw all of his energy away from my...
Iyo ngize ubwoba ngiye kuvuga ijambo imbere y'abantu nshaka ikindi kintu kireba imbaraga zanjye.
Like a lightning rod. Exactly. All the
kugira ngo kindangaze.
paperclip.
Icyo nkora mfata zino paperclip nkazishyira mu ntoki nkazikanda.
Your speech.
Hey.
Yeah, a smooth and
Nkahita mvuga neza.
very compelling speech.
Neza ijambo ari ku murongo nkahita ndivuga pe. Akana gahuye n'umuntu nyine bameze nk'aho bahuje ikibazo kumva abantu bakorera n'ukuntu baba bakubeshya.
Paperclip.
Nawe kano kantu uzajya wumva ufite.
See, Henry Kissinger?
Henry Kissinger nawe yaragakoreshaga.
Known for his speaking abilities.
No, he wasn't, was he?
Ariko ntabwo abantu bari bamuzi ku muntu uvuga neza cyane wapi.
Well, imagine what he would have been like without the...
Ibaze rero ukuntu ari kuba adafite kano kantu.
He would have really sucked.
Yari kuraburiza.
Really sucked.
Right.
So maybe you'll try again.
Mwana wanjye hari nawe uzongera ugerageze nujya kuvuga ijambo utwara ku kantu gafate mu ntoki ugakande.
Let's go see penguins.
5 minutes.
Yeah. Katururi. Akana. Mwana wanjye uri kumushuka. Ngo bagiye kureba penguins. Katururi. Do. Ntako nino. Baratembereye umukobwa ari kumwe n'umunyepolitiki ukomeye baritemberera. Umukobwa wifitiye umwana.
So funny. They look like little fat, short guys with tuxedos.
Tuno dufire rero ndi kuturangiyemo mura tumeze nk'abagabo bagufi bambaye tuxedos ya makote y'amasho.
$2,500 a plate dinner.
Ahantu tuzajya kurira ku wa mbere.
$100 per plate?
$2,500 a
Ibiryo tuzarya bihagaze ibihumbi 2,500 by'idolari miliyoni 2. Ibaze.
What is it for?
Sibyo ni ibiki.
Inner city literacy campaign.
Campaign yo muri uyu mujyi nyine kugira ngo dutere inkunga ibyo bintu. Bafata ibiryo nyine bakabigurisha amafaranga menshi kugira ngo baze gusagura yo gufashisha ibindi. Campaign yacu. Ufite umwanya wazaza tukajyana.
Wait a minute, isn't that the guy who hired Yatter to get pictures of you?
None so umuntu ugiye kureba so ndi wishyuye abapaparazi ngo bagufotore Maddox yego.
Well, I don't get it. Why would you go?
None se kuki uzajya mu kirori cye?
Because I go,
kubera ko
it's exposure.
bagomba kugiye bakambona nyine nk'umuntu uri kwiyamamaza bakabona ko mari nagatwiko nabo baratwika.
Well, I kind of have to expose myself.
Cyamba ngomba kwiyerikana.
When you put it that way.
I didn't put it that way. You put it that way.
Ntabwo ariko mbivuze ariko ubwo niwe uri kubivugamo.
Care how much you have to pay for dinner.
Cyane ntabwo niteye kuri amafaranga mwishyura.
Self up no matter what the cause.
Ntabwo mujye muri n'impamvu mwangiza amafaranga na gutyo. Ubwira icyo
Let me
utekereza.
tell you what I think.
Ubwira icyo ntekereza.
Okay, if this Mr. Wonton Maddox
Nimba umugabo Wonton Maddox
he wants to help,
nimba ashaka kugufasha.
the $2,500 per plate and give it to the inner city schools.
Kubera iki sadafata nk'ayo mafaranga 2,500 agurisha ibyo biryo mwese mujyayo.
Don't you come with?
Akagenda mubisangiza ahubwo abana mu mashuri hirya no hino. ariko byabafasha cyane.
I'm busy. So
Uzaza tujyane kwa mbere oya ndahuze.
You can't? What? Can you change it?
Ntago wabihindura subonye nk'umwanya.
it's complicated.
Biragoye. Wahita umwibwira.
I gotta get out of here. Come on, Tyree.
Ntabwo nyibukije ko mfite no kuva hano ngasubirayo.
We're gonna be late.
Utaza gukerererwa bacaho. Mugabo ntago yamenye ko uyu muntu.
Caroline.
Carolina we.
This can't be it. Come on, we haven't seen the...
Ntago mwete mugenda tutarebye inzoka bari muri mize.
It was nice meeting you,
Byari byiza guhura nawe.
Miss Marshall.
Chris Marshall. Hano arabareba.
We're late, we gotta go.
Ni mwiza yambaye imyenda ihenze. Kurusha na nyirayo hari igihe umuntu aba afite imyenda.
One speech, okay?
Tuno tuntu uzadukoresha n'ubura uko uzajya kuvuga ijambo ujye udufite.
Good voting.
I'll do my best.
Ewana tuzagutora. Mugabo bari kwiyamamaza. Kandi nabo karageza imyaka yo gutora.
It's complicated. What kind of answer is that?
Umusubije ngo iki ngo biragoye.
Really complicated.
Tuza gukuramo imyenda y'abantu usubire mu kazi.
What am I supposed to do? Make his bed with me in it?
Turesera gukora ikintu ari kujya kumusasira icyumba se tukakiraranamo. Nahise musezera ndigendera atazanamenya ko nari umukiriya.
I know what he was like, huh?
Yarameze ate?
Sexy eye.
Afite amaso ari sexy.
Nice lips.
Afite iminwa myiza uriya mugabo.
What about the hands?
Mu ntoki ze afite ikiganza kinini. Baraseka.
They were perfect.
Byari byiza pe.
Thick words?
Yeah. Marisa.
Oh, what?
Marissa Ventura, are you back there?
Marisa Ventura wagarutse. Bana yanjye ni Paula. Bahita bahisha imyenda ihenze y'umukiriya ntago imyenda y'umukiriya igomba kugira abakozi bambarira. Bahita mutama gataburiye. Ni manager. As a manager.
Are you doing?
Urakora iki hano?
I just, I spilled something on my apron.
Itaburiye yanjye yarimenetse ibintu narinje kubihanagura.
Helping me tie it.
Uyu rero yari kumfasha kuyizira.
See you in his office right now.
Mr. Beckstrom arashaka kukubona. Manager mukuru. Ondoro kubabwira ngo bakeneye manager. Karagukeneye muri office. Mana yanjye. Buni bambonye.
Oh, hi. Look who's here. Look, let's review the last Del killed while you were out walking that goddamn dog.
Oh, hey, Jay.
Gado muhanganye yavuze ijambo ryiza ubwo wari uri kusohokana n'imbwa ngo muzenguruka.
No, that's it.
Muhanganye n'umuntu bari kwiyamariza umwanya w'ubusenateri.
Look at this note to the woman in the park suite.
Kano kandiko ugenda ukamera umugore bita Carolina.
Can you handle that?
No kumutumira ko twasangira ibya sasta. Umugore witwa Carolina kamushyira.
Who's Caroline in the park suite?
Undi Carolina we uri kurara muri park suite ni. Suite bari icyumba cya hatari muri hoteli.
See thing on Monday night?
Yeah, but I was thinking more along the lines of a blind, ex-illiterate senior citizen who learned to read while fighting the Nazis.
I thought your mother was in Florida.
Just make sure that she's not married, on medication,
Cyambere umenye ko umugore mwahuye muri mushaka ko mushaka guteretana.
or
Rufus.
Adafite umugabo cyangwa se atanywa bayamita atanywa n'ibiyobyabwenge. Azaduteza ibibazo.
Caroline is in the park.
Genda nguri pereza ku muntu witwa Caroline uri kurara muri park suite. Uzumubwire uwo muntu nindi. Sibyo tumenye umuntu uri gutereta umunyepolitike wacu atabari umuntu waduteza ibibazo. Bano bantu baba bakomakomeye rero ntago ari ugupfa guhura n'umuntu ngo bateretane wari wese ari igihe bamenye ko uwo muntu ari ininja yirirwa imihanda ugasanga byishe izina ry'umuntu. Impamvu ugomba kuba ufite izina ryiza. Nanjye bura niko bigenda. Baze bambonanye n'ininja.
I think so, yes, sir.
Yaje hakorino.
Do you know what the foundation?
Ese uzu musingi ino hoteli yacu ishingiyeho. Ni manager mukuru. Yene.
Location?
Amushingi se sahantiri. Oya.
Trust.
Iyo hoteli ishingiye ku kuba umwizerwa no kugirirwa icyizere.
Possess.
Ese izo ndangagaciro zifite cyane.
Miss Burns agrees.
Miss Burns yemera ko.
She's urged me to consider you.
Yambwiye ngo nawe dutangire tugutekerezeho.
Dear, you were interested in management until Miss
Kwakiriye amakuru.
brought us your application.
Avuye kuri Miss Claw
Hey.
ko nawe wifuza kwiyamamariza mu kuba waba
Security.
manager.
And your mother's
Ariko shiraho social security number zawe hano.
woman.
Wari wibagiye kuzishyiraho. Unasinye. Nawe tugushyire mu bantu bari guhatarira kuba baba manager w'iyi hoteli.
Here.
Umukobwa waje gutanga ibipapuro bye.
Yes.
Ni wa mukobwa bagendana w'umusazi umwe ejo bundi wanamuhaye. Kanya bari kumwe wamwambitse imyenda.
And move you directly into management after the 6-week training.
With
Nyuma y'ibyumweru bitandatu tuguhita muzakorerwa uzahita ujya mu mahugurwa.
every station.
None birangira uhita uza uba manager.
You see, Miss Ventura,
Urabona Miss Ventura.
when life shuts one door, it opens a window.
Iyo ubuzima bufunze umuryango umwe bufungura n'undi.
So jump.
Rero simbukira muri uwo muryango ufunguye. Urebe yaje anatarwiyambitse. Steph. Uri he? Uriye wa mujinga we.
Oh, don't tell me about
Kunywa itabi. Bigenze bite? niwe wabikoze.
You know what? You had no right.
nta burenganzira wari ufite.
What are you talking about?
uvuga ibiki?
You filled out an application.
gute wagiye kunsabira akazi ukuzuza application yose ubabwira ko nkeneye akazi ko kuba manager?
What you've done?
wabikoreye iki?
Did you a favor?
kandi gukoreye favela ahubwo.
Do me a favor, then you mind your freaking business.
weje ureba ibikureba kuki wagiye kubinkora sutambwiye ngo mbyikoreye.
You've been yapping about getting
imyaka 2 urambiye ino myenda twambara abakoro uvuga ngo urashaka kuba manager.
the coffee worldly from personnel, and I ask her, I go, Marissa got a shot?
nibwo nabashije barambwira ngo nta mahirwe ashobora kugusekera.
Well, she's applied.
bita mvuga ati Marissa Ventura ni applying.
Slip it to the top of the pile.
rero nakwa applying.
Act real nonchalant like, and I go, are you sure? So she goes, she double checks.
ikindi bagiye barongera barareba barambwira
Tour ain't never applied
ntabwo wigeze wa applying
program ever.
nibwo rero navuze ngomba kubigukorera.
Imagine my shock.
ibaze ariko nanjye ukuntu byantu.
My own partner lying to me like that.
ibaze kumbeshya ngo applying utara applying.
So I went ahead and I did it myself.
nabyikoreye rero.
Okay, you'd be happy.
kandi bagufasha ukaba manager byagushimisha natwe bikadushimisha.
Me. These are the golden years. We gotta prove our mother's wrong.
tugomba kwereka ababyeyi bacu ko batwibeshyeho bumvaga ko tuzahora dukoropa gusa twe tutazatera imbere. nawe ugenda ube manager w'umuntu wa danje. ababyeyi bacu tubereke ko twabaye abantu bazima. ko yamubwiye ni mugenzi we wamwizereye majya kumwaprayingira kandi ko abayobozi ba hoteli babibonye neza bari kuvuga ati birashoboka. yeah.
What we did today was wrong.
ibyo twakoze uyu munsi sibyo.
You didn't really lie.
mama ariko uriya mugabo ntabwo wamubeshye.
Now you're starting to sound like Richard Nixon. Listen,
nawe utangiye kujya uvuga nka Nixon wa muperezida.
it's not. It's just as much a lie as a
uriya
lie
mugabo twamubeshye.
that I was staying in the suite, not clean.
ntabwo nigeze mubwira ko ndi umukozi ukoropa hoteli.
To break it to you, but I don't
mama nkubwize ukuri.
have your money.
uriya mugabo ntabwo agukurikiye amafaranga.
I can't believe you said that.
wacyariho ntabwo nakwizera ko ari uvuze ibyo bintu. sasa uyu mugore ari kubwira umwana ngo uriya muntu twamubeshye ngo yaketse ko ndi umukiriya urara muri hoteli ngo kandi ndi umukozi ukoropa. umwana akamubwira ati ariko uriya mugabo uko umubona urabona ari umuntu wagukurikiraho amafaranga ku buryo ubundi wumva ko kuba mubwiye ko uri umukiriya ari ibintu bya danje. wapi tururi turacyari New York. yeah.
Good job. All right, sweetie.
yaje akorino bukeye nanone yaje mu kazi. umwana rimwe amusiga muri laundry ubundi akamusiga hano muri control room biterwa.
Can I borrow this?
Of course.
Thank you. Okay, baby, bye.
yeah.
And remember, all security IDs will need to be rephotographed starting next week.
yewe ko amafoto yanyu mugomba kongera mukayafotorwa
Much.
muri hoteli buri munsi mu gitondo rubanza bakaba ka briefing ko umuntu bagomba gukora akazi kabo gake gake. yeah. rebe cyari muri hoteli kano wakabonye.
Well, let me show you.
reka nkwereke.
Give me. Yeah?
rebye mu kinyamakuru ifoto abapaparazi bafotoye.
I mean, so, what if somebody from the hotel...
ese yagize umuntu muri hoteli uyibona akamenya ko ari njye.
I hate to break the bubble. You tell it
nta muntu wamenya ko ari we wanjye.
It's the front page of the...
kuri page ya mbere y'ikinyamakuru kweri niho badufotoye.
Jesus, you do one spontaneous thing your whole life.
hano ntabwo bahita bakumenya urabona wari warebye hirya. byaba ari bibi.
You're such a Catholic. Please. Come on.
wikabya wana wikwigira umukatolike niko yamubwiye kwigira umukatolike wana. kubera ati wikabya wana wigira umuntu ntawe utaha twika.
Alright, nice to see you.
Still him away for 1
Sure,
second.
go right
Do you
ahead.
mind?
uyu muntu mwamuniza akanya gato.
Sure.
senateri uri kwiyamamariza kuba senateri manager wavayo.
What's the problem?
uyu nshaka ko tuganira.
Yes!
ibi ngibi
Do you know what this is going to cost me?
binuza ibibazo bishobora kudushyiramo.
You're doing nothing but covering your ass.
buri munsi niriwe ngukavaringa mbwira abanyamakuru.
London Times.
London Times baramamagaye, Washington Post baramamagaye,
Asking about her.
Chicago Sun baramamagaye. ibyo byose ni ibitangazamakuru bikomeye.
It is a kid.
bambaza ngo karakana nakande ngo nuriya mugore mwari muri kumwe mu ifoto.
To focus on your assets, they're focusing on hers.
nta nubwo ubu ngubu bagiye gukomeza bakwiteho ahubwo abanyamakuru bashobora gutangira kwita kuri uyu mugore akaba ari bakurikirana kugira ngo bamushake amadefo bavuga ati umugabo utereta abakobwa bameze uko ugasanga bitumye utsindwa amatora. bibaho.
Squeezing the circle tight.
Ombe hakurino abatureyina hano baba bari gutoza abantu muri hoteli. babagore n'abagore b'abakire baje kurara muri aba mahoteli icyumba kibagenze cyane kiri mu mamiliyoni. yaje gukora amasuku abona wa mugore yiyitiriye Carolina. abona Carolina bari kumukoresha siporo.
We could use some more towels, por favor, rapido.
Squeezing this tighter and tighter. Tighter.
yikorera amasuku abakire bari mu myitozo yabo we siporo ye no gukora udusuku. abasubiza ibyabo ni abakire bakora udusiporo.
All right. Oh, Twinkles, is it Eric? I knew it. Oh,
He hasn't called once. No
my cell, not the service, not the hotel. So last night I called him and Rich, he was with God. It's like cheap wine.
Ladies.
Go on.
Ground. The cheap wine?
His ex.
I have a message from Mr. Christopher Marshall.
Christopher Marshall?
Sweet.
Function invitation. I placed.
Thank you.
I have to charge you for the full hour.
Yesterday.
Fine.
For two.
Get out!
Where?
In his suite. Shall I give him an answer?
Yes, tell him time. Did this go down?
Thing in Southampton. We had a moment.
Please. What, do you think he saw you in the hall?
Bring a thing.
What thing?
Oh. Thank goodness. Favor, run downstairs and get those out. This cashmere coat.
Closet. I might want a second look.
You are so good. You should be a personal assistant. Better titles.
Actually, I'm up for a position.
Pants or pumps.
Let's see. How about the pants, open blouse?
Maria?
She barely speaks English. What?
Excuse me?
Maria, what do you think?
What about the beaded skirt with that beige crocheted, casual, see, no stockings. Looks like you're going someplace. Besides that whole seat blouse. Desperate, older. You want to make...
Thank you, Maria. To Rachel Hofberg. Eric who?
No, Eric yazongera kubaza ikibundi ni Eric ndi. Eric ni umugabo wamubabaje. Kuvuga ngo Eric wahe yaririmbye yihe.
Yes, that's it. Yeah. All handles parallel with the right.
Iri gutero rero utambika gutya. Rebe. Gutya.
Yes.
Bano bagira uduprotocol utambika.
Protocols for table setting and wine service. We're serving lunch at the York Suite today.
Muri York Suite rero uyu munsi nitwe turi buha serve uraza tujyane tuha serve ibyo kurya. Yeah. Nyagasani. Uyu mugabo azikariwe yatumiye muri York Suite. Yakoze ku kimenyetso. Bamusabye kujya guseriva mu cyumba kirimo wa mugabo ejo bahuye amubwira ngo ni umukiriya. Yambaye imyenda ihenze. Ibaza icyo kintu. Yaje yishe dore indabyo yazifatiye ku isura. Mu cyumba cya wa mugabo ejo bahuye umugabo avuga ati ni umukiriya nkunze kurara muri iriya hoteli mu masaha y'akaruhuko niho mba ndi akamenya ko ahubwo iyo hoteli uyikoropamo yari kuza yihisha. Ari kuza yihisha. Do. Urebe. Urebe. Dore birahura hana bifatiye. Genda yihisha batamubona. Kariwe mu seriveri. Kubeshya ni bibi. Ariko zikubeshya umuntu ngo ukora ibi nibe ashaka gusanga muri ibi nibi.
Water glass is 3 inches of the wine cup.
Ushyiramo amazi ntuyuzuzu yageze hagati. Hey. Bagira uduprotocol twinshi abantu babishyuye amamiliyoni yabo. Kumbo batumiye ku bya sasta umugabo yatumiye umuntu witwa Caroline uri kurara muri Park Suite. Azi karo uyu nguyu. Behaje Caroline wanyawe. Caroline nyirizina vayo. Yesu Kristo. Yarumirwa yuko atari we natumiye.
Animal lover too.
Kumbe nawe ukunda imbwa.
I just can't get enough of.
Yewe. Tu, uje vision mubi aranashaje kandi yari yiboneye umukobwa mwiza kuri atari we natumiye.
Caroline? I just knew that we
nari mbizi hari ikintu cyabaye hagati yacu
friends tournament.
ubwo twahuriraga mu marushanwa ahita muha n'akabizu Yesu Kristo. Umugore ushaje ko umukire ni uri kurara muri ya suite.
How sweet of you to remember.
Mbega wanabyibutse ko nikundira udupupe. Bigeze guhurira ahantu gutyo bisanzwe kumwe umuntu abacaho n'undi acaho muri show. None uyu mugore azinguye umugabo niho bamuhuriye nyine ngaramwibuka. Wewe uyu ntabwo ari we natumiye.
Best.
Oh, Teddy.
Ahita azicara hano.
Right.
Yarumirwa. Yeah.
How is Teddy?
King again, but you didn't hear it from me.
Excuse me, I just gotta check on something.
Urabizi ndaje. Uyavayo. Uyamubonye ahita akata.
Who is that?
Uriya mugore uri muri salon.
Caroline Lane.
Yitwa Caroline Lane. Carolina Lane.
No.
Oya.
No, it's not.
Hagariwe.
It's not her?
Hagariwe.
Oh,
Dore Carolina shaka.
thing.
Ndabona hano hari ibintu bya Maddox. Uzajya mu kirori ki?
Of course.
Dore uwamubeshye ngo yitwa Carolina ni umukobwa mwiza ariko w'umuseriveri koropa
Woman.
mbega udafite ibiceri.
The other day, kind of Mediterranean with a little boy about.
Hari umugore derutse guhura ari kumwe n'akana k'imyaka 10.
Berg, Mediterranean. She's from Westport. She's premenopausal, but don't tell her I said.
Uyu ngo mureke. Ari no muri menopause.
You're staying in the park suite.
Niwe uri kurara muri park suite se?
Fine.
Nibyo Carolina? Yego.
Yes, I am.
Ngiye uri kuraramo.
Oh.
Yagasam yarumirwa. Twahuje usa kambwira kararamo nuwe.
It's the damnedest thing.
Uyu biramucanga. Kubona umukecuru hano ntamuzi ntanamushaka. Dore we yashakaga n'uyu. Ari kwiserivira. Kubeshya. Sasa yavayo. Yumvishemo ngo umugore imisatsi y'umukara ngo ufite imbwa.
Salmon is perfect.
Iyi fi imeze neza.
Your whole presentation today has been excellent.
Uyu munsi uburyo presence ibintu byose neza kabisa.
Make sure you tuck it in tightly.
Iyo ngiyo nayo yizirike neza. Yarinjira.
5'6" dark hair, really.
Umugore imisatsi y'umukara mwiza ufite akana bita tayi ari hehe.
Sorry, sir.
Yagasoni mbabarira.
Right, just find her.
Umugore mu ncakire niwe nashakaga niwe twahuriye muri park suite icyo cyumba. Niwe nari nagutumye none unze ni igikecuru ntazi. Sasa nta muntu utazi ko uyu mugore uri hano afite umwana bita tayi w'imyaka nk'icumi ahita amumenya noneho neza. Dore ko namureba sigaye ajya kubeshya abakiriya.
Here to try to land the Rothford estate. I mean, you know it's worth zillions. And
kubera hano uyavayo nukugenda yububa
the whole thing up. Thank you.
Bucece.
Hey, Rufus, come here.
Rufus. None.
Thank you.
Nyine ntiwasohora umuntu wese we nashakaga n'iki nk'umuntu wiyubashye. Uramurika mugasangira nyine nta kundi.
Good boy.
Sigira utabaza umuntu. Asi yarabibonye urabizi. Reka ngo serivire yabibonye.
I mean, you know Letty Rothford.
Ushaka wigendere yese amwirukana uyu musaza yabibonye. Abasaza bari bareba kure. Yabimenye ko yabeshya ari no kugenda yishahisha. Ahita afata icyo kunywa za mu serivire yamubonye. Undi rero bagomba kubahagarikira nta serivire. Umugore dore nguyu.
Right there.
Good evening. Another interesting day now, huh, Marissa?
Marissa, uyu munsi wabaye mwiza.
You tell me.
Byagenze bite mbwira?
Lunch?
Ibyo kurya bya saa sita byagenze bite?
All right, what's up, mystery man?
Bimeze bite mugabo w'amayobera?
Times you watch the monitors with me.
Ni kangahe twagiye turebana kuri kamera hano amashusho yose y'ibibera muri hoteli komba nyabona?
Thousands.
Ni inshuro ibihumbi.
You over there.
Wewe ugiye wa cyane ugiye.
You know I'm beholding to report employees misbehaving.
Urabizi ko akazi kanjye ari ukureba abakozi bitwara nabi nk'abaripotinga bakabahana.
You could make me shut my mouth.
Rero kugira ngo ntakurega nabonye amakosa wakoze makabizo. Yaramubonye ko yambaye imyenda y'abashyitsi akajya gusohokana n'umukiriya ukura kuri kamera ababibona byose niko kazi ke. Kureba akantu kukanda pana bya bindi by'amahoteli ushyira kamera ara mukiyicarira. Umuntu yazabura ikintu ngo nibwo mugiye gusubiza inyuma ngo murebe oya arabishyura umukozi uri wicaraga karura nkureba filime ya Rocky.
Caroline Lane.
Park Suite, yes.
Yitwa Caroline Lane. Uri kurara muri Park Suite yego numukire.
Monday night, we were able to procure you a single at a table on the floor.
Wa mbere rero
Marshalls.
Marshall yavuze ngo tukubukingira table. Ashino wa musore kuri Marshall.
$3,000.
N'ibihumbi 3 bizishyurwa by'idolari.
Are raised when a couple is split. Singles are always harder to place.
Well, I mean, what is it? Is it on the internet? I'm an ex.
Ikibazo gerira iki ntabwo tuzaba turi kumwe se turi babiri ngena kuri Marshall. Yasho izabaye muri Maddox. Wa mugabo azajya mu kuwa mbere.
We don't cling to our bear the scarlet letter.
Uyarababaye umugabo yamwiciye yarazi ko bazabicaranye ku meza n'umugabo yavuze ngo buri umwe azafata imeza ye. Kari kamwiziritseho kumbe yagatumiye rimwe ntaga kigakeneye.
Come on, Rage. Gossip man.
I am terrified to ask what that was.
Being dumped.
Uriya mugore menya bamwanze.
Amber?
Umugabo
What's in?
umuyobozi ukomeye urenze yari gusohoka abantu agenda basinyira injira mu modoka acaho yari ari gukwepa n'umugore.
Did she see us?
No, you're fine.
Oya ntago atubonye.
It's clear. It's fine.
Ikecuru.
Well, look, I think she's very attractive.
Mugore ngenda bona risa.
Had her checked out, just so you know. She comes
banamukurikiranye aturuka muri famiye y'abanyamafaranga.
and there are no naked pictures of.
Amafoto yambaye ubusa afite ku hirya no hino ku buryo byakwicira izina nk'umunyepolitike.
I talked to the manager at the hotel.
Nabwiye na manager hotel.
Caroline Lane staying in the Park Suite.
Baratubwira ngo uriya niwe Carolina Lane ngo maze igihe aba muri iriya Park Suite nta wundi yari kugenda abona uwo yavugaga.
Pull over.
Urabizi parika ku ruhande. Sasi byamucanze umuntu wabwiye ngarara muri Park Suite ntago ari kubona. Kugendera mu. Tai. Chris.
How's it going, Ty?
Barihuriye biti.
How you doing?
Good.
You want to hear something really strange? The lunch today.
Uyu munsi nagutumiye ngo dusangire bya saa sita. Haza umuntu utari wowe.
What happened?
Cyagenze biti.
I don't know what you mean.
Sinzi icyo uvuga.
Are you still staying at the bar?
Cyari kurara muri Beresford ya hotel se.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, we moved uptown.
Twe twagiye muri uptown.
Oh, great. Well,
twaragiye hanze.
Fine, we're going to the Tremont.
Aho hantu ahubwo mufite projet yo kubakira abantu.
Yeah, Upper East.
Yeah, Mom. Yeah, no. Remember we're going to a party just.
Twe twari tugiye hano hafi. Turagenda n'amaguru.
So how do I get a hold of you?
Our cell's 917.
Ma nimero yawe rero ni 9 akana kagiye kuzivuga cicyo.
You know what? If you want to get
Miza nzaguhamagara.
just call him at this number. That's my.
Yano ushaka kumuhamagara uzamuhamagare kuri yacu. Harya witwa nde?
What's yours?
We witwa nde?
Spanish?
Jerry Spanish?
No, Siegel.
We nitwa Sigo.
Okay, so
Aitacho.
call me anytime.
Uze kumuhamagara atakanye kari kukose.
Did you have to give a speech? You're gonna.
Wibuke ugomba kuvuga ijambo ngo tugende.
Bronx?
Uzavugira ijambo muri Bronx.
Housing projects.
Ibyerekeranye n'imyubakire yaho uzabivuga ijambo.
Telling people in the Bronx.
Senguje kubwira abantu muri Bronx iby'imyubakire n'imiturire.
You know, shine some light on the living condition.
Kugira bambwiye ko abantu bo batabayeho neza n'itangazamakuru zabari hari.
Yeah, we think so. All right, shall we? Okay.
What are you not saying?
Icyo udashutambwiye.
Tell me.
Bwira.
Maybe you both should spend some real time.
Ahari ukwiye kumarana igihe n'abo bantu batuye nabi.
Make up speeches and
aho
then
kugira ngo ugende wicare mu mahoteli uhimba amagambo meza yo kuza kuvugira ahantu mu bantu babayeho nabi utazi n'ubuzima babayeho bwa nyabo.
Because I grew up there.
Ibyawo wobize ute kubera ko nahakuriye.
In a 4-block radius my whole life.
Ubuzima bwanjye bwose nabaye aho hantu. Rero mwe abanyepolitike birimo kaze muza kuvuga imiturire y'abantu batarana habaye cyangwa mutabajije n'amakuru neza. Ati mujye manuka mu marana igihe n'abo bantu. ubuzima bwabo yabonye umugore uri hano namubwiza ukuri umukatira ubona ari kubyiyumvamo ahubwo kurusha bari abantu bakunda umuntu babwiza ukuri urashaka undi uzi ukubeshya beshya ngo nukuri umuntu ukomeye uyu ni umuyobozi ukomeye abamenyereye abantu bamubwira ibintu ashaka kumva gusa.
I'll make you a deal, Wonder Man. You want me at the benefit tomorrow night, then get her to go. And I swear to God, I'll shake any body.
Tege kwa Maddox nzavugira ijambo ryiza rizatuma abantu basara bakantora, ariko nawe uriya mugore ukora uko ushoboye azaba hari azazi sawa mu gushakira zahazi. Wumve ejo hari ikirori kizabera ngo Maddox, abantu kwa Maddox abantu bazaba bari kuvuga amajambo bari kwiyamamariza kuba senateri. Aturiya mugore abaye hari nakora ibintu byanjye neza. Kana kaje kuryama, kana kakuze gakina filime ubu na Agastar kari muri 30 na
Going on, we need to be extra careful.
wamwana tugomba kujya twigengesera.
No coming up in the elevator to see me, and no
uzongere kuzamuka muri essence rushe kundeba, uzongere no guhura n'uriya mugabo Chris Marshall twihishe.
see him.
No mubona
I'll make like a baby and head out first.
sajya nihisha tambona.
Thank you.
Sawa.
Go to bed.
Sayibonye ba umwana yabonye bari kubwira tura mugabo twaramubeshye, anamubeshye none kira hotel bayivuyemo bari korara mu yindi hotel ubwo nuko kumwihisha mpaka batazongera no guhura nawe.
The Chinese delegation will be checking into the Lexington suite.
Muri Lexington suite haraza kwinjira.
Television channel needs to be set to one of the 3 channels.
Delegation y'abashinwa bari buze kwarara uyita yihisha batamubona.
Those have requested an early.
Nambwire uyarihisha baramuza abakozi bagenzi be ko yabeshe umunyepolitike.
Mr. Newman.
What are they doing?
Uyarihisha.
Serious? Calm down.
Tuza nagakuba.
Find that girl.
Umva uwo mukobwa mu mudushakire boss wanjye aramushaka wararaga hano w'umukiriya witwa gutya na gutya. Kumbe ni yahararaga arahakora.
Very much. That will be all.
Sawa murakoze byari ibyo. Bebe. Uyita kururuyo. Ni manager. Film. Azano Yohana. Yeah. Noneho.
Are you truly interested?
Ese urifuza uriya mwanya w'ubuyobozi wo kuba manager hejuru? Yego.
Then I suggest
rero iri joro ugenda uhure n'uyu mugabo, sibyo uyu munyepolitike wabeshye. Muhure mwite munarangizanya umubano musezereho burundu mubwira ko mutazongera kubonana aho kugira ngo ajye hora guhiga. Sibyo?
To make your own rules.
None utegereze nawe igihe uzabera manager basi ujye amategeko yawe, ariko bamenye ko ukiri umukozi ukora uri kugenda ukinisha abakiriya byakugora kugira ngo uzabe manager. Inama yamugiriye ati genda ure n'uyu munyepolitike gwa invitation kugira ngo ukomeze guhiga hirya no hino azanamenye ko uri umukozi wa hano ukoropa. Muhure bwanyu mu mufere umubeshye. We.
What happened?
Bigenze bitero duhamaze.
Right?
Yeah, if I break it off.
Urazi uza manager. Igenda gatandukana n'uyu mugabo tugatandukana burundu nkamubwira ko atazongera kumiga.
You don't get it. You know, none of you get it. There was just something.
Ntabwo muri kubyumva.
Yeah, it's called money.
Uriya mugabo ntagasanzwe. Ibintu badafite adasanzwe n'amafaranga n'urukundo.
We connected, you know.
Kino witwarahuje ukuntu.
Felt it. Ty felt it too.
Ndetse n'umwana wanjye barahuza.
Right? You are not in love with this.
Ntabwo uri mu rukundo.
He's not in love with you.
Nawe ntabwo ari mu rukundo rwawe.
Affiliations or loyalties. You're from 2 different worlds.
Yembi muturuka mu masabira atandukanye, ntabwo yagukunda nawe mwikuremo. Ahubwo ni amafaranga.
Come on, Mavis.
Umukobwa aravuga ati ngenda naramwishimiye.
You could be manager.
Akanya kari kose waba manager mugakundana mugakomezanya.
Out there.
Byibura twese abakozi dufite mugenzi wacu twababaranye wazamutse mu nzego.
I don't have anything to wear.
Nta nubwo mfite ikintu ndi bwambare ngo njye guhura n'uriya munyepolitike. Yitwa Chris.
You know.
Oya twande dukora muri hoteli wabura si imyenda gute n'abakiriya barara hano.
For businesses to get us big fat raises.
Wewe wibuke gusa ko nuba manager ikintu cyambere ugomba gukora ari kubatubwira bakatwongeza umushahara na cerebra n'abakozi. Katorori kagiye kujya guhura n'uriya mugabo musezereho batandukane burundu agaruke mu kazi ke k'ubupuranto nimba ari no gukoropa uriya mugabo ku buryo atazongera kumuhiga. Sawa tubatemo. Yeah. Yeah. Mabuku. Yeah. Yaje hano muri round reba imyenda y'abakiriya reba imyiza hano yihitiramo. Umeze nk'ugiye mu isoko. Inshuti y'abantu bose bakora muri hoteli. Hoteli uraza bakakureberamo imyenda yo kwambara rwose. Bareba iyo umukiriya bari bamukoreye myiza cyangwa se yari yaje kumeshesha kaba batugutije ukajya muri diro zawe ugasohoka umeze neza. Cyane ko ngo buri abakobwa bakunda no gutizanya imyenda n'inkweto.
Like you never knew it.
Bebe azandurise muzarwarise. Aje no kureba hano dukweto nitwamukorera se. Kobwa ni mwiza. Ziniza hoteli ziba zirimo n'amasaro de coiffure. Atajya muri saro yaho bamukoraho. Nabakozi babakorana. Bagomba gufashanya. Batururi. Ndetse babandi babanyeshyeri usanga bakorana bayirirwa basebanya. Bamuzanira no ku mikufe y'abakire. Amaherena ya diama. Yegasani.
All right, Ty, focus.
Ty, umva ngubwire.
Eyes forward.
Rebana.
Once more. This is the Harry Winston.
Iyi ni Harry Winston.
Necklace worth more than I'll see.
Uyu mukufu urahenze.
Good. And if it leaves her
uyu mukufe n'umufa mu ijosi akanya kari kose
for adoption.
Kujya ngutora je na mama bazatwadobuta tubuze.
In prison.
Tujye muri gereza sawa. Numvije uyu mukufe ni mama we nawe ubura ngo ngiye na mabugwa bazahita batwadobuta nyine mu muryango turere ati muzajya gereza.
Tell me what you
ahantu bigiye kubera kwa n'abanyepolitike n'abanyamafaranga baba hari ababounce bayanari bambaye utuntu mu matwi.
Good to see you.
Kwiyamamaza abantu bari hano n'abantu bafite amafaranga yabo n'ibindi bikomerezwa bari bube naga fundraising ahisandi buze kubihagaze ngo 2500 by'idolari bya birori birenze baza n'abacuranzi bacuranga utuntu tutavuga mu bamwumvira kure muri background hana bya bintu byanyu by'urusaku ngo harya ni hip hop bya bintu mujya mwumva bime byanjyana bimeze nk'iby'abasasi bya bintu ntago njya mbyumva tuziki tw'abantu tugeze mu zabukuru tw'abasaza tworohereye dore imodoka jemo sindi guhumeka mfite ubwoba aho uzi kuba wipashe muremure nawe ubizi.
So what am I doing? This is
ndakora iki hano hantu ngeze gukunda kora iki
like a dream, you know?
umva genda umere nk'umuntu uri kubaho inzozi ze
For all of us.
sibura uvuga ati ijoro nanjye ngiye kubaho inzozi zanjye
But tonight,
ejo mu gitondo uzabe wabyikuyemo garuke mu buzima bwawe busanzwe
who you really are.
erega ubundi uyu ni nawe uri we wiyumvishe ko uyu nguyu ari uri we nawe uri ingagara uri umukire uzubeho ubwo buzima rimwe. Baramusezera abakozi bose bo kuri hoteli baramushyigikiye bamutije n'imodoka itwara abantu kuri hoteli zaza zifite imodoka zo gufata abantu tuzi icyo abashyitsi abakire bumva watwumvishije tworohereye hana bya bintu byanyu mwumva bisakuza bimena amatwi abakire kuko benshi tuba turwaye ibintu by'imitima za tansi y'amaraso yihuta azamuka ushobora kuzana biriya biririmbo bikadukura imitima tugasanga dupfuye dusize amafaranga. Mana yanjye icirira hakurikiriya n'indushe ni wa mukecuru nawe yitumiye ubundi uraniwe mu Carolina wa Nyaurara muri wa hoteli naho ndi yitwa Marisa Ventura.
She'll be here.
Uriya mukobwa araza kuza yatubwiye ko ari buze humura twisho tuziki tw'abakire. Katurori
I wanna fall in you again, like we did when we first met. You again.
Uyarebye yarumiye yabonye umukobwa mwiza imbere ye ni mwiza byo uri mwiza ntawe bitabera rega hari abamabuja buri aruka bitwa ari bamabuja ariko usanga bataberwa umukozi wabonye ayo mafaranga hashye barumiwe.
Thank you for being here.
Wakoze kuburi hano umugabo menya yarakunze uyu mukobwa.
I only came to tell you that
nari nje kukubwira
you and me can't go in.
Nawe nta hantu biri kugana
Just can't.
sibye umugoroba gusa bizahita birekere byo kongera gura nawe.
You should have worn a different dress.
ushaka ko dutandukana ntuba wambaye neza gutyo uje nagutumiye nagushaka ko birangira. Si umukobwa naravuze ati uyu mugabo ni mwiza ndetse afite n'ikintu cyo kuba ngiye nawe twarihurije ndi kumwiyumvamo abandi bakamubwira ati wirenga inzego uriya ntago ari urwego rwawe baturore.
You again, la 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 la.
Look, you have to listen to me. I know you're used to getting your way.
Yeah, until I met you.
ndabizi ubukunda ushaka ibintu sasa yarebye abona wa mugabo bari wamutumiye ngo basangire abona ari kumwe n'undi.
For you to look there.
Ndabizi hari abagore nka miliyoni baba kwifuza
Making me work so hard.
none se kucyuri kungora kandi usika abandi banyifuza.
Maddox is open.
Maddox irafunguye.
Why don't you go over to
waba ugiye nk'iminota 2 suka bakora akazi
take over?
guhiriza ajye gutegura ku ijambo ari buvuge uyavayo. Chris binaza kwishinza.
What a night.
Ijoro ryiza.
Who isn't here?
Right.
ese umuntu utari hano bari
I need to know something that I don't know.
ese madari ikintu waba ushaka kumbwira ukaba utarakimbwiye.
Well, that sounds like something between you and your God, Jerry.
oya icyo kintu utazi ubwo kiri hagati yawe n'Imana.
But not where his girlfriends are concerned.
njye mba ngomba kwita ku bosi wanjye n'abasheri baho bari.
I just need him focused for tonight.
kugira ngo abakobwa batamurangaza umva rekeraho.
Certainly, man.
Garutse ku byanjye ugiye kari akagabo kaba gashaka ko umukiriya atajya mu bintu by'abakobwa nyine nka manager muzima
Supposed to do because Jerry thinks that I'm distracting.
ugomba gukora icyo ukwiye gukora kuko manager wawe Jerry akeka ko nshobora kukurangaza
With Jerry thinks.
ntuzongere kumbwira ijambo rimo ngo Jerry ngatekereza ko mwihorere
You should do the right thing.
ugomba gukora ikintu cya nyacyo ariko umukobwa ni mwiza
Why are you smiling?
uri guseka
Nothing, just until this minute. I didn't know what that was.
nanjye ubu sinzi ikintu ndi guseka
Now.
suba icyo ndi guseka ndakizi
Oh, anyway.
ntugire ahantu ujya
Chris, this,
I'll be right
I didn't
back.
mean.
ndagaruka ngiye kuvuga ijambo ntugire ahantu ujya ndaje mo mbebe ndaje nkubwire umugabo yakunze umukobwa sasa kureba gutya kubitana amaso n'umukiriya ajya akorera amasuku mu cyumba yahinduye ruku do ahita akata umukiriya atambona akamenya ko nanamwiyitiriye umukiriya atambona ahita acaho sasa umukiriya aramukurikira umukiriya aramwomeka uretse ziriya filime arasa neza yambaye neza ni amadiyama mu ijosi hano umukozi
haven't we met?
mva harya njye nawe nta hantu tuziranye
And you're,
banyita Karoli nawe witwa nde
Yes. Oh, it's wonderful to see you again.
byiza kongera kubona hari ahantu twahuriye
We knew each other. I never forget a face.
mbizi ko hari ahantu dushobora kuba tuziranye
Is that a Harry Winston wreath?
uwo mukufi wambaye ni Harry Winston
Designed since the late
nyagasani imikufi ntabwo igikorwa guhera muri za 60
Excuse me, I have to go.
urabizi mfite kugenda
just between
umva
girls.
ni ibintu bigiye kuguma hagati yacu nk'abakobwa ese wazanye na Chris muri kumwe
Can you keep a secret?
uzi kubika ibanga cyane rero nanjye nzi kubika ibanga ntacyo ndi bukubwire atuzi kubika ibanga ati nanjye nzi kuribika rero bye ntabwo ndi bukubwire nimba turi kumwe cyangwa tutari kumwe umukobwa arakwebye Carolina yamukurikiye Karoli akaba kumukurikiye umunyepolitiki akurikiye umukobwa yamukunze Carolina
Do you have somewhere else you have to?
arandi hantu ufite ho kujya
You just have to leave.
ufite kugenda
You're leaving. I think you're running.
ntabwo ugiye ahubwo uri kwiruka umuntu
Something you want? Or are you running away from something you're afraid to want?
ese uri kwiruka uhunga ikintu ufite ubwoba bwo kuba ugishaka cyane
Takes already.
maze gukora amakosa menshi
You won't.
sinshaka iri joro biza kurenga nkashiduka nakoze andi makosa menshi
There's something you don't know, okay?
hari ikintu ntakubwiye utazi shaka kumubwiza kuri
How do I tell you this?
sinzi ukuntu ndi bukikubwire
The first time that you...
bwa mbere duhura wa munsi duhura nari agiye kumubwira ngo yari umukozi ukoropa yahise amusoma ati duhura bwa mbere wari mwiza nicyo nzi yahise amusoma nta kindi akeneye kumva bagabo nawe urabazi umugabo yahise amusoma ati duhura bwa mbere wari mwiza ibindi bireke wana ibindi se ni ibiki
Tonight is all we have.
iri joro niryo dufite
Stay.
kumana nanjye sibyo umukobwa yabuze umubwira ko ari umukozi nawe hari ahantu ugera arega nawe hatekosa umundi kariyomba womboka ubundi ngiyewe nzahurira he n'ibyamamare nk'ibi ubundi hahiye arabizi ubundi byo kukubwira ngo ndi umukozi ukoropa ni ibiki abakozi se twebwe tuzarya neza ryaye umukozi yaracecetse aryumaho haba harahiye urebe filime umukobwa n'umunyepolitiki ukomeye uko byagenze bya bindi ngo agasore katiraririye n'ikarongora inkumi ubu bigeze mu bakobwa nimubibonye umukobwa utiraririye ntago arongora ibogari do singibi se ni muri kubibona umukozi wo mu rugo aryamanye nande n'umunyepolitiki ukomeye yamubeshye ko ari umukire muri hoteli zihenze nyagasani wambara imyenda y'ibihumbi 5 by'idolari yambaye n'umukufi wa diamond umukozi wo mu rugo yatiye ahantu muri hoteli w'abakiriye urebe urabona ko noneho bya bintu bihindutse umukobwa utiraririye ubugwero uyu munsi ntago azongera kujya arongora ibogari kozi wo mu rugo yiraririye yigira ingagari atuye hasi umunyepolitiki reba filime ni ku gasobanuye films.com ntabwo ducuruza filime kuri WhatsApp ntabwo ibyo bintu ari byo siho dufite website wishyuraho bihoraho ukajya ureba filime abo bamamyi babiba amafaranga bababwira ngo tubariza filime kuri WhatsApp ngamarinki ngo dufite ubu website bafite n'ubu website bazanye bw'ubuhimbano ushyiramo ikarita yo bakajya bakwiba amafaranga website itaragasobanuye films.com guhera uyu munsi muyigendere kure kuko inkiko zatangiye gukurikirana abo batubuza umukobwa arakweretse yese ataha yasize umunyepolitiki asinziriye arataha birarangiye ibukuye rero munsi wanyuma kuvuga ati mpuye nuriya mugabo birangire wibundi yagomba gura nawe amubwira ati suzongere kumiga turangizanye bikava mu nzira ariko barahuye haranashye aho umenya aho bwirageze honey yemeze neza
At work.
ndi mu kazi
Listen, Abuela's gonna be there in about 10 minutes and then I'll be home at 6.
genda gera mu rugo saa 12
Did you-
wera arahagera minota 10
Time? Yeah.
sawa yeah yasize yanditse akandiko kwa sheri we arambwira ati nitije umupira wawe nzawugarura kugira adakomeza kugenda yambaye n'imyenda y'abakiriya ayanduza. Yasohotse mu nzu y'umunyepolitike gutyo.
What are you going to do in Buffalo? Well, my plan is to sort of accidentally bump in.
Ngenda shaka kujya gukina tukaza kugera gutyo tugahura n'uriya munyepolitike nkamwisuhurisha. Uyarebye ni wa mugore Carolina wanya uriya mukozi ukora wambaye umukufi wa Winston. Uriya si wa mukozi ukora amasuku. Yaratekereje neza yibukanuye mubonye n'injoro. Yahise aza muri kamera. Urebe
All fast forward.
yahise azana manager bajya kuri kamera barakurura neza barebe uriya mukozi ukora hano aramwiboneye umaze kudutwara abagabo. Subiza inyuma ndeba uyu mukozi ukoropa yakuye hehe uriya mukufi wa Winston yari yawutiye. Bamwige uno mukozi wa mugore Carolina yahise ajya kubaza amakuru bahita bajya muri control room bakurire amashusho bayafashwe muri hoteli bamenye ni ibiki bari ibyanu.
That's my Dolce coat.
Yani rya kote ryanjye rya Dolce.
Sorry, sir.
Yagasani. Bino bintu kuki byagucitse ntabwo nabibonye. Yagasani.
I'll make sure me.
Hoteli yose remenye ko uyu mukobwa yitije imyenda y'umukiriya. Ikosa rikomeye cyane.
Mr. Beckstrom wants to see both of you.
Mr. Beckstrom umwe barashaka kubona muri Park Suite. Park Suite ni cya cyumba kiraramo wa mugore Carolina wa nyawe. Uyavayo barabahamagaye. Babibonye kuri kamera ko yitije imyenda y'umukiriya. Ikosa ribi cyane umukiriya yambara na gute ariko nawe umukoropera. Muri hoteli y'inyenyeri 70 igomba kuguha service nziza. Harya na hoteli dukorana ngo nyamamariza.
Marissa.
Oh.
Marissa.
Well, that's interesting. She told me her name was Maria.
Yambwiye ngo amazina ye ngo yitwa Maria. No.
To correct you.
Yitwa Marissa ntago ari Maria.
You think it's polite to steal people's clothes?
Ese ubona ko ari ikinyabupfura ko imyenda y'abakiriya bamumenye.
I didn't steal.
Miss Ventura spent the last 30 minutes trying to persuade Miss Lane not to press formal charges.
Tumusaba ko batajya gukorega kuri polisi ahubwo kuri n'igisambo. Dufite video zawe uri kwinjira mu byumba by'abantu ugatwara imyenda yacu ukayambara. Bahise bahamagara na wa mugabo.
Please, sorry to interrupt your busy morning.
Yahise amuhamagara kugira ngo abateranye reko bamukunda yahise ahamagara na wa mugabo.
The woman you thought was
a uyu mugore watekereza ko ari umukiriya. Umukozi udukoropera hano.
Marissa.
Sibyo Marissa?
Wait, her name is Caroline.
Ntabwo yitwa Carolina.
Darling, that's my name.
Iryo ni izina ryanjye.
Clothes.
Yiba imyenda y'abakiriya akajya gutereta abahunga akiba n'amazina yabo. Kuki wambaye gutyo sheri? Ntabwo yitwa Carolina. Yagasani.
Is this true?
Ibintu ntabwo ari ukuri. Koropa muri hoteli. Mugabo yarumiwe. Yagasani.
Yeah, it is.
Yego ibyo bavuga nibyo.
Jesus Christ.
Yesu Kristo.
The press is going to have a field.
Itangazamakuru none riratwataka ko umuntu uri kwiyamamaza asigaye aryamana n'abakozi. Nicyo kiba kimuhangayikishije manager wa campaign. Bareba iby'akazi.
And I can assure you it has never happened here.
Ibintu nk'ibintu bwa mbere baye nta nuko bizongera kuba.
You are slipping. You should have noticed something.
Wakabaye warabonye ibintu nk'ibi nawe barabwira manager. Mr. Beckstrom ntahuriye n'ibi byabaye.
About this later. Miss Ventura,
Miss Ventura,
you work here.
Turakwirukanye ntabwo ugikora muri hoteli yacu.
Hand in your passes.
Manuka hasi ko washinzwe umutekano basigira ibyangombwa byawe byose n'ibya hoteli n'amakarita y'akazi turakwirukanye.
Is that really necessary?
Bira byari ngombwa se ko mumwirukana umugabo aramukurikije.
Job, okay?
Oh, Chris.
Chris, none se ubwo umenye ko ari umukozi sinjye twakabaye turi kumwe.
I can't help it. This is.
Nanjye nabigizemo uruhare kuba ntarabikubwiye mbere. Oya, nta kosa ufite byihore.
Please let me buy you.
Tuze gusangira ibya saa sita.
We only got each other together.
Tunaganire kuri iki gisebo cyo kuba waramenye uriya muntu yaranyitira.
The first lunch.
Bwa mbere dusangira.
A second complete torture.
Nongeye gusangira nawe bwa kabiri byaba ari yicarubuzo naba nkorewe. Yagasana umva umugabo kuntu yabwiye umugore. Ko dusangira bwa mbere bya saa sita ryari ikosa ryabayeho mwibeshyeho. Ngo twongeye gusangira bwa kabiri ryaba ari yicarubuzgo nkorewe.
God, don't tell me that they fired you over there.
Utambwira ko nawe bakwirukanye. Oya.
Actually, I made a decision.
Iyo wafashe umwanzuro.
It was long overdue.
Nubundi narakoze igihe kinini reka njye kwegura ndaho.
Quit?
Uvuye mu kazi.
Sometimes
rimwe na rimwe
we're forced in directions that we ought to have found.
Hari igihe duhatirizwa inzira kwicamo twakabaye twarayinyujijemo na mbere. Umusaza kuko ikibazo kibaye cyo kwirukana uyu mukobwa yisabona ko n'ubundi yakabaye yariguye yaravuye mu kazi.
Serve people.
Nubwo duserifa abantu.
Takes dignity.
Bidusaba indangagaciro n'ubwenge. Ariko wibuke.
There are only people with.
Barana abantu bafite amafaranga gusa.
Although we serve them.
Nubwo tubaserifa.
We are not their servants.
Ntabwo turi abacakara babo.
We do, Miss Ventura.
Icyo dukora Miss Ventura.
Define who we are.
Ntabwo ari cyo kigaragaza agaciro kacu cyangwa abo turi.
Us is how well we rise after falling.
Ahubwo ikigaragaza abo turi bo ni cya kindi kiduhagurutse iyo twaguye tukongera tugahaguruka ugasubira mu murongo muzima.
Just someday.
Ndabizi ko umunsi umuzaba manager mwiza ahantu hamwe cyangwa ahandi.
Be my great honor to have worked with you.
Ndetse n'icyubahiro kuba narigeze gukoranaho nawe. Gira umugore mwiza ukora akazi ke neza. Ikibazo cyabayeho nuko yari ari kwigera imyenda hakinjira umugabo bitunguranye agashiduka batsohokanye, ariko ntabwo byari muri gahunda ye ngo n'umuntu usanzwe abikora ngo ibi imyenda ngagahiga abagabo ngo bagira ibipima bavuga ati uyu nguyu tuzasohokana tuzagira uku nuko. Oya, ntabwo byari gahunda ye. Dore ngo baramwirukana. Marissa, Carolina, ndakwita. Marissa.
I don't get it. What just happened?
Simbyumva bigenze bite.
Don't you get? I'm the maid.
Ibi cyo tumva ndi umukozi ukora muri hotel.
Some kind of bet?
None se biriya byo gusohokana nanjye mwari mwashese n'abantu ngo wasohokana n'umuntu nkanjye bi.
Hang on her clothes.
Nari ndi kwigera imyenda ye.
And then you invite.
Wita winjira tuntumira ngo dusohokane biba byihuse.
Interested?
Who's kidding who here? You think you would have taken a second look at me if you knew?
Yes, ubundi bwa mbere bitamubwira ngo ndi umukozi ukora wari kugumana nanjye.
Respect for your big-hearted politics.